So let me ask you something. If you were teasing a new phone, would you post camera samples or a foil wrapper that looks like it belongs in a pharmacy? Because that's exactly what Nothing did. Out of nowhere, they dropped a sealed foil visual with "Coming Soon, A series," and everyone just paused, like, what are we even looking at? Then a day later, 2 colorful capsules show up. "Feel Good, A series." Capsules? Wrapper? Is this tech or supplements? It felt random, slightly provocative, very on brand, and most importantly, it made people stop scrolling. That foil wrapper screamed anticipation. Something sealed, something waiting to be opened. A classic get ready signal, and judging by the engagement, it worked. Comments blew up, the guessing started instantly, then the capsules land. 2 capsules? That's likely phone 4A and 4A Pro. 2 versions, 2 personalities, maybe even 2 key colors. Especially since earlier hints pointed toward blue and pink, suddenly the randomness feels calculated. The wrapper builds suspense, the capsules drop the clue, and once you decode the marketing, the focus shifts to the hardware. With reports suggesting no flagship this year, the 4A series could be carrying more weight than usual. Instead of splitting upgrades across tiers, Nothing might be concentrating premium features into its mid-range lineup. We're likely looking at high refresh AMOLED panels, possibly 144 Hz on the Pro and 120 Hz on the standard model. Performance should come from Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 series, with the Pro tip to run Snapdragon 7S Gen 4. That's a solid balance of power and efficiency, smooth gaming, strong multitasking without wrecking battery life. Speaking of battery, the Pro could pack around 5,088 mAh with 50-watt fast charging. There's also talk of eSIM support. Memory options are expected at 8 plus 128 GB and 12 plus 256 GB with UFS 3.1 storage for quicker app loads and smoother transfers. The Pro has reportedly surfaced on Geekbench with 12 GB RAM running Android 16, which adds a bit of credibility to the leak cycle. Design-wise, you already know the direction: clean lines, minimal aesthetic, glyph lighting, possibly more playful colors this time. Camera details aren't confirmed, but earlier leaks point to a triple 50 megapixel setup on the Pro, wide, ultra-wide, and potentially a telephoto or depth sensor. A high-res front camera is also rumored. For now, that stays in the speculation column. Pricing is still unknown, but if they're pushing more premium touches into the 4A lineup instead of launching a flagship, this could land in a very sweet spot. They're not just launching phones, they're staging it. Peace.